upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between green hills, there lived an old water bearer. Every morning he carried two large clay pots to the river, hanging from a sturdy wooden pole balanced across his shoulders. One of the pots was perfect, smooth, shining, without a single crack. The other pot, however, had a small crack along its side. Each day, when the old man filled both pots and walked back to the village, the cracked pot arrived only half full. The perfect pot felt proud of itself. It did its job flawlessly. But the cracked pot felt ashamed. It saw itself as a failure. After 2 years of this silent suffering, the cracked pot spoke to the water bearer one morning by the river. "Master," it said softly, "I am so sorry. Because of my flaw, you lose half the water you carry. I am not as good as the other pot." The old man smiled. He looked at the pot with gentle eyes and said, "My dear pot, look back along the path we walk every day." The pot turned and saw something it had never noticed before. A trail of beautiful wildflowers lining one side of the path. It sighed. The old man continued, "I planted seeds along your path 2 years ago, knowing about your crack. Every day as we walked home, you watered them. Because of you, I've been able to decorate my home with flowers and share their beauty with my neighbors." The cracked pot was silent. For the first time in years, it didn't feel broken. It felt purposeful. The old man smiled again and said, "Each of us has our own cracks, but that's how the light and life get through. Never be ashamed of your flaws. They might be watering someone else's garden. So if you've ever felt imperfect, remember the cracked pot. You might be giving beauty to the world in ways you cannot yet see."